Everybody has some certain topics about which they can say a lot, and I'm sure that that's also the case with you. You could probably say quite a few things about your profession and topics related to it, about activities that you love spending your time with, about the place you're from, and so on. However, every person also has topics about which they can say very little, if anything. And when one such topic is important for the person you're talking with, for instance, if they're active in a profession that you don't have any experience with or any knowledge about, it can feel like you have nothing to say. You want to be more engaged in the conversation, but nothing comes to your mind that you could say. Still, there is something that you can always do. When you have nothing to say, ask questions. And you have two different possibilities even, two different paths in which you can lead the conversation with your questions. When you want to learn more about the topic, ask specific questions about it so that the other person can tell you more about it or give you some tips on how you can learn more. For example, if that person loves playing the guitar and if you're interested in that, you can ask them what kind of guitar is the best to begin with, if it's worth it taking guitar classes, or if it's better to learn by yourself, and so on. However, when you're not really interested in the topic, but you want to get to know this person better, ask rather personal questions. For example, you can ask them what drew them to the guitar in the first place, what they like so much about it. This way the conversation won't be about concrete facts or topics that you're not well versed with, but about emotions, motivations, or experiences of this person. And then you will probably also be able to draw a line for things in your life to which you have similar dispositions. Maybe you never held a guitar in your life, but you're passionate about cycling. And cycling makes you feel the same way that playing the guitar makes the other person feel. When you have a conversation on this level, you will even get along much better than if you shared that particular interest. This way, a connection is created between you that's not based on merely sharing the same hobby, but on sharing a similar approach to life and a similar personality. That is much more important than an activity that you might or might not have in common. That means, when you don't have anything to say on a specific topic, ask questions. If you want to learn more about it, ask factual questions. And if you want to lead the conversation to a deeper level, ask personal questions and try to find something similar in your life. By the way, this video is a part of my video course, Networking for Introverts. This course can help you get better in social situations. It can help you develop soft skills, communication skills, and charisma, even if you're very shy or a complete introvert. The course is available both in English and in German, and you can find it under the link down in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.